Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So if you didn't already know, we are an authorized outdoor RV warranty center. So we don't sell coaches, but we do repairs on them through the manufacturer as a third party. And so this unit's in here for some warranty work. And if you need some help, maybe you have a local dealership to you that's not taking good care of you, they're too busy, give us a shout out if you're here in the Northern California area. We're in Lodi, California. And so this unit's new to us. It's his first time here, and he's brought it in for some warranty items, so we're getting him squared away on that. But I just wanted to throw this quick video out there to let you know as a reminder that we're here to help. And if you haven't already joined us on our Outdoors RV group, we have our own business group that's not affiliated with Outdoors RV. It's through myself. My name's Dustin. You can check out all my information on our website, and you can see my full CV, background, how long we've been in business, all that fun stuff. So, it's good to go to a place that has lots of experience too. And so I don't usually talk about that too much, but in 26 years of being in the industry, and then I've been in business for myself with my crew, we've been here since 2003. And typically we'll see about 12 to 1,500 units a year. So keep that in mind. If this guy's coming in here for 10 or 12 items to be repaired, how many items are we doing per unit per year, constant. So make sure you check out all our YouTube videos, our Facebook groups, posts, articles. We have lots of information out there to help you. But again, going back to that Outdoors RV Facebook group, that's an open platform. You can post whatever you want. We'll try to help you or guide you as best as we can as time allows. But it's there to help everybody, whether it's a mobile tech, another RV repair shop, a dealership. If you're having common problems or issues, go ahead and share them with us. Or if you're doing accessories or add-ons or fixing something yourself, share those with us as well. If you're out camping and having a great time, well, what the heck? Share that with us, because we want to know where you're going and what you're up to. And then, same thing, share us a picture of your truck and your trailer. Show us what you guys are doing with it. All right, well, hey, have a great one, and we'll talk to you soon. It's Dustin, your RV Specialist.